Fear will always be there. It's a constant companion on the journey of life, a shadow that lengthens in the face of the unknown. It whispers doubts in your ear, paints worst-case scenarios in your mind, and tries to anchor you to the familiar shores of your comfort zone. Every single day, you stand at a crossroads. The question is, will it control you or will you control it? One path lets fear take the wheel, dictating your speed, your direction, your destination. It leads to a life of what-ifs and regrets. The other path is where you grab the wheel yourself. You acknowledge the fear riding shotgun, but you are the one in control. Fear is not the enemy. We've been taught to see it as a monster to be slain, but this is a profound misunderstanding. It's a signal, a biological compass. It shows up when you're about to step outside your comfort zone, when you're on the verge of leveling up. It's the price of admission for growth. Too many people mistake that feeling as a stop sign, a red light telling them to retreat to safety. But it's actually a green light, a sign that you're moving in the right direction, toward the very thing you need to do. This is where courage enters the equation. And let's be clear, courage is not the absence of fear. Only a fool feels no fear. Courage is acting despite fear. It's the conscious decision to move forward even when your legs are trembling. It's feeling the fear, acknowledging its presence, and still taking that first, difficult step forward. It's choosing the path of action over the paralysis of analysis. So don't let fear hold you back in the prison of the familiar. Don't let it rob you of the life that's waiting for you just on the other side of that discomfort. Inspire yourself to walk with fear as your partner, not your master. Use it as fuel. Let it sharpen your focus. And watch as that terrifying giant shrinks into a manageable shadow with every single step you take toward your destiny.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.